What up, everybody? I'm back. Back. Oh, how's my vacation? It was pretty good. I got rebuilt with a ton of freaking rebuilds, as you can see. Ton of rebuilds hit me. I'm about to slam something right now. This is all freaking rebuilds. Let's see, 104. Oh, it won't let me. It didn't let me fucking exit. What a bitch. Didn't let me. So stupid. What up, Donald? What up? Yes, I got hit with a ton of rebills, and that's pretty much where I'm at. So I'm just trying to, I was trying to slam some real quick. What up, Al? Marie in the building. I got my coffee brewing. Feels good to be back. Come on, dump this thing. Yo, what up, Jawan? Yo, hold on. My coffee's ready, baby. Make my coffee. I got my pour over coffee, baby. Oh, jeez. Woo! Oh, I just got it. What up right there? Long today? Yeah, I'm just mixing it up. I'll be honest with you. Right off of the pivot point is where I just took that. So that was an easy short for me. I don't know if I'm going to stay short. I wouldn't get in here, but if it bounces up a little bit, I might re-short it. Yo, what up, Lee? Yo, I got rebuild. So basically, I went on vacation. So what did I say? Thursday night. So I didn't check any rebuilds. And basically, they rebuild me Thursday into Friday, Friday into Saturday, Saturday into Sunday, Sunday into Monday, and Monday into Tuesday. So normally, I'll delete the accounts. Like, I get rid of them. That wasn't the case. That was not the fucking case. So now I'm sitting here with more accounts than I really need, obviously. Jawan, not screwing this up. 850 on a funded and only need 400 more to pass another 100K account. Just gonna hang out here and sit on my, yeah, man. Just fucking hang. Just hang, man. I wouldn't do anything. I wouldn't do anything. Yeah, Lee, I'm about to slam some of them, to be honest with you. Like, you just saw me on 613. Like, I just bought 7 contracts to make $700. Um, you know, the goal is to hit these fucking hard. Um, yo, what up, Fred? Come on, flash this bitch down, baby. Yeah, like, like shit like that. Just big size. I mean, I like the play, obviously, because I'm in it with a funded account and I'm going to get out. So I just, but, I'm going to size up heavily on these to get them either over or not, and basically not get any accounts for a very long time. But, like, whatever one I was just in was minus like $900, and now I'm up. So I'm gonna go pour my coffee. I just did the pour over, and it dripped, and now I'm going to. I kind of like it right here. Let me see what else I got in this bag of tricks. Best case scenario would be pull back to 531. Yo, what up? What up, Blue? I got hit with Rebill Central. My rebills got rebills. Hit my daily loss like a fanny earlier. So sitting here wanting to press buttons and gamble a bit. Yeah, I know the feeling. I do that daily. All right, going to get coffee. I just got to pour it. Mm-hmm. 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 Come on. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yo, I got my green cup of gains. Oh, yeah, man. Rebills just fucking slap my ass. I most definitely didn't ask for all these accounts, and it was a shocker to me as well. I got rebuilt like a mofo, and what up, Ace? Yeah, just freaking hammered me. Nothing I can do about it. I'm just gonna trade them and just go about my day. It's all you could do. That's all you could do, man. What are they gonna stop me out and then rip this mofo? Yo, what up, Josh? Smash it. Let's get this thing going. What was the announcement you were talking about? 90% off was great. What was I talking about? I made that video on Friday. Maybe we were talking about the duck race today. I was talking about I think Apex is gonna change the rules that they recently came out with. I think man, there's a lot of things I've been thinking about. Oh, you know what I was gonna do? I'm gonna do a fade the Topstep account. That's something I wanted to do, was fade the Topstep house account. I want to do a couple things. This thing's looking freaking weak now. What sucks is I caught the top of it. This is just gonna fade. I need my drawdown though. It's gonna just fade out. They want people to leave? I don't know if they want people to leave. Why would they want people to leave? Man, there's so much drama going on. There's the My Funded Futures fast track drama going on Twitter. That's hysterical to watch. There's like new prop firms popping up daily, I feel like. That's a whole thing that's going on. The newest prop firm of the week. That one's gone. What up, Ivan? What up? What up? Approving 50% on a take profit trader. What do you mean? What do you mean approving, Fred? Do you mean you made 50% on a 150K eval already? I love how they stop me out at the very, 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 very top. I still think this is gonna freaking drop. This is the candle. Let's see if we get that Dippity McDipperson. So what have you guys been up to? Yo, what up, The Crucial? What up? The rules screwed me up hard yesterday. Made me go full tilt. Then they clarified rules today. Wish they released that video yesterday. Yeah. I'm going to go see, everybody was making those videos. Nobody actually knew what the fuck was going on. I'm going to make a video today about it and discuss things. Obviously, there's more clarity out now. So it's, you know, it's not just whatever, but yeah. You know, they definitely changed it up on people. They definitely changed it up on people. Come on. Is Apex even worth it anymore? I mean, you're hearing a lot of misinformation is the problem. You're hearing just people that are making things just to put their voice out there. I think they're doing a lot of good things in general. They got rid of the DCA rule. They got rid of a lot of stuff that was hurting the trader. And now, I mean, you could trade fucking news at this point. You could trade news at this point. That's massive that you can trade news. All right, we're about to ride free on this one. Yeah, I mean, you could. It's not Juwan. Just pay extra money. I mean, I wouldn't get Topstep. Topstep's the worst out of all of them. So Topstep is $50. And then if you pass the account, you have to pay another $150. So if you buy one account, Topstep will cost you $200 for a funded account. If you buy a My Funded Futures account, one account is $76. And if you pass, there's no activation fee. It's $76. Take Profit Trader, you buy one account, it's $105. You pass, there's no activation fee. Topstep's the most expensive one right now. I heard all the over 5 hours of video. Yeah, I wouldn't have listened to 5 hours. I mean, I would go to Take Profit Trader over Topstep. As long as they keep the zero activation fee going. Once they turn the zero activation fee off, I probably wouldn't. But with zero activation fee, Topstep is just not. Topstep's the most expensive. My Funded Futures is the easiest to get paid on any of them, to be honest with you. $76 for an account, no activation fee, 5 days of $100 or more and you get paid. I've been paid by them multiple times. Super, super simple. My Funded Futures has payout caps. Take Profit Trader has no payout caps. Take Profit Trader has no consistency rules. You can keep trading. The sky's the limit on Take Profit Trader. There's nothing that Topstep offers me that Take Profit Trader does not. Just throwing it out there. I have the worst pass rate ever on Topstep. And that's like no lie. No, I could show you 30 plus accounts on Topstep that I have. They offer me the worst pass rate in the industry. You don't know what I'm on? Dude, it's $200. If you have one account, you got to pay for the account, which is $50, and then the activation fee, it's $150. That's $200 for an account. Take Profit Trader, one account, and that's it. Dude, you guys, I mean, if you trade there and you're good, trade there and good. I'm just telling you that it's more expensive. And I literally have the worst pass rate. I can pull up my account and show you. I think they have the ultimate slippage problem at Topstep X. I don't know what the deal is, but let me see if I can pull up my accounts. I'll show you the worst pass rate in the industry. Boom. One passed, two passed. Two passed. Topstep's freaking brutal. Dude, the trailing drawdown is just, I mean, if you guys can't control yourself to lose $1,100 in a day, you should look at your trading style. Yeah, Jawan, that's how they all are. There's pluses and minuses on every single prop firm. There's not one prop. I'll be honest with you. You know who offers the best? Man, I'm not even going to say their name, but they're brand new, and they offer. No one in here has even talked about them. How's that sound? I end up running into them. They offer the best rules in the game, but they're brand new, and I don't trust brand new firms with my money yet. It's not trade iffy. Definitely not trade iffy. U Profit's not new, or Up Profit. I don't think they're new. But I'm going to see what happens. Boom, Joseph. Boom. Bro, yes, and over 1K on the way to more payouts. I have to make more due to this damn buffer. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, it feels like Apex is, I think they're going to get rid of the buffer. The spinoff of Tick Tick, I don't know what that is. I've never used Tick Tick in my life. I know what Tick Tick is, but I don't know what the spinoff is. But no to all of them. That's why when I say it's new, it's like brand new. I ran into it and I bought one account. I'm just being honest with you. I bought one account just to see what the deal was because it wasn't a big deal to me. And it was straight to funded. I'm up $1,000 in the account and I want to see if they pay me. Obviously, I signed up to get, I want to see that they pay me because if they don't pay me, obviously there's something wrong. Thumbs up for the reveal. No, I just don't want people getting burned. That's why I just tell everybody don't use a prop firm until they're around a couple months. I don't want to see you lose money. It's okay if I lose money. It's not okay if I tell you about it and you lose money. That's my biggest issues. It's kind of like it's a layer of protection that you use at night. Yo, I'm giving you the prop firm condom right now. I'm protecting you from getting the prop firm freaking STD. I just don't want to see you guys lose money on a prop firm that doesn't pay. So listen, if you make money in Apex, you could make money in Topstep, or you can make money in Take Profit Trader. Like, I feel like you guys jump from one prop firm to another expecting different results when really you should be looking at your indicators and your chart setups and the trades you're taking more than the prop firm you're trading with. That's the honest truth about it. That's what I would focus on more than the prop firm is your actual trading. This is a fucking gamble as long as it as long as it stays under the 34. How's my fast track accounts going? They're up. They're up today. I got 3 of them up 300 or more. I'm getting closer to a payout. Bro, you're just pushing affiliate firms? No, I just fucking have the worst pass rate in the world with Topstep. I can show you all my accounts. Literally, I passed 2 of 30. It's like that's under a 10% pass rate. When I pass Apex, my pass rate is much higher. What up, Andy? What up, Nizam? Yeah, I just don't like. I just don't like Topstep that much. I just don't do well. The Topstep X platform feels like it has slippage, and I'm not the only person to say that. And I just kind of feel, listen, and I like the firm. Like, I think the firm is doing cool shit. They got the TV. I think they're losing money. I feel like they're almost losing money on purpose so people can talk about it. You know, I just don't like trading the Topstep platform. I'm just not a fan. It's just like, why do people wear certain batting gloves when they hit? Why do people wear certain whatever? It's just superstitious. I just bad juju every time I use Topstep. I just being honest with you. Oh, man, they could have pushed this fucking down right here. Yeah. Just the way it is. Just roll this the fuck over. Bring it down to 534. I'm going to make a whole video about it. I got a whole sheet about the Apex rules. I think they're going to adjust the buffer rule. I have a feeling they're going to adjust it. It just seems like it's coming. I think they're going to adjust the buffer rule, and I think they're going to give a lot more clarity on everything. And if you guys want, I made a whole video. Well, it's kind of old now, but I made a video about what it costs to get funded if you pass 1 in 1, 1 in 3, 1 in 5 accounts. So you take into consideration, you know, firms that charge you activation fees. You know, like Bullnox is cheap. Bullnox is $17 for an account, but they cost $148 activation fee. By the way, Bullnox is a great company. Bullnox is pretty solid. If you're looking for a company to use, I would use Bullnox before I used Topstep. Bullnox is $17 for an account, which is nice. The only problem is they don't have they only have Rhythmic accounts, which kind of sucks. Nobody talks about Bullnox. I wonder like what the deal is. Why more people don't use them. Dude, Fast Track is good. There's a lot of information flying around there. See, like I talk to some people and they're getting paid quickly, and then I talk to other people and they haven't been paid in weeks. So it's kind of, you know, Topstep is Topstep's more expensive. If you want to pay more, just go to Topstep. Yeah. Yeah. I mean, I'd rather go to Take Profit Trader for it's half the price. I'd pay actually, and my funded futures is even a third of the price. I can get 3 my funded future accounts for 1 Topstep account that's funded. Dude, this looks like it's gonna fucking dump. Yeah, I don't know. I don't mess with Topstep. My pass rate's like under 10% with Topstep, and other firms it's over 30%. So I don't know what the deal is. I don't know if there's slippage on any of their platforms or whatnot, but I am not I even think I have an account with them right now. It said trading, so I probably have an account with them. Let me see. Topstep trade. Let's see what we got. I do have an account with them. I have a Rhythmic account with them. It's so bad I don't even want to trade it. But I do have an account with them. I have that with I have it on my, what do you call it? On my quant tower. Hey man, if you love Topstep, stick with them. I'm just telling you my thoughts. I can only tell you my thoughts. I can't tell you how anybody else feels. I can only tell you my personal experience. That's all I give you guys is my personal experience. My personal experience is Topstep offers me the worst pass rate. I don't know what you want me to tell you. It's the facts. Just being honest with you, Topstep has the worst pass rate for me. That's the facts. So I don't mess with them. Yeah, I mean, you can grow all these accounts like crazy. You can go live with My Funded Futures and grow it like crazy. You can take Profit Trader. You can grow, take Profit Trader has no consistency rule. But honestly, who the fuck, when you guys talk about consistency rules, so let's talk about it. Are you making more than $600 a day in your accounts, or are you stopping at $600? Like most people stop at like $400 or $500. So the consistency rule, even at 20%, you would still be fine with. Just throwing it out there. Most people, when they trade their funded accounts, once they're up a certain amount for the day, stop for the day. They're not trading it to make $3,000 in a day. So when people talk about consistency rule, I just don't see it. I'm like, well, are you making $5,000 in a day? And everyone's like, no, I'm making like 200. Well, consistency rule doesn't matter then. You know, I would focus on the cost of accounts more than anything, especially if you're not getting consistent payouts. I would focus on how much it costs to get an account funded. And Topstep is $200 if you get the first account funded. Yeah, I'm just throwing it out there. I'll be honest with you, I think they took away the trailing drawdown so newbies can blow their accounts in one day. How's that sound? I think they took it away because they looked at the data, and the data shows people will blow their accounts and buy more accounts if there's not a daily loss in play. And that's why new people should trade My Funded Futures, because if you hit the daily loss, anybody that's new should be trading My Funded Futures, because one, if you hit the loss, your account's not done for the day. So no matter what, you have the account for 2 days. And it's also the easiest to take a payout on. Anybody new that's not getting payouts should be on a platform like that, that's kind of protecting yourself. Do you know if Apex still has a 1 day to pass? Yes. Yes, Sylvia. 1 day to pass. Yeah, I think they'll always have 1 day to pass. My Funded Futures has 1 day to pass. 1 day to pass is nice. The two day thing is, I don't know why some firms do it. It's just the way it is. This thing's going to grind down. I have a feeling this thing's just going to grind fucking down for the day. Trailing drawdown is only on take. Once you're out of the buffer, that it leaves. Boom, boom, boom. Dump it, baby. Come on, one more freaking leg down. Yeah, I mean, and see, everyone's different. Then you shouldn't go to an account that has it, Joanne. I mean, just keeping it real. Then you should probably not do it because you're forced to do it. That's like these guys that have no consistency rule. They make it so you want to make big gains in a day, and then you end up blowing your account. The rules, can definitely play. Sometimes you're better with a firm that has consistency rule of 20%. So you aim to make $400 or $500 a day and you stop. Dude, no one's trying to make good traders, man. They all make money on you blowing accounts. That's how they make all their money. If one of these was publicly traded, you'd see how they make all their money. And they're making their money by you guys blowing accounts. Trying to, no consistency rule. Oh man, I'm going to make $10,000 in a day and you blow the account. That's what they feed off of. Just throwing it out there, there's a lot of things, and depending on your personality, some people's personality works great with other people's personalities. It doesn't. I think it depends on the person. Consistency rule means nothing to me because I'm not trying to make $4,000 in an account in a day. Like once I hit $400 or $500, that's like the most. I'm done. I don't care. So my consistency rule could be 20%. Watch Barbaro, you have some hate for Topstep. I don't give a shit at all, man. You could talk about other firms. And I said, if you want to trade them, trade them. I'm not telling you. I'm just telling you my personal, my personal opinion. Straight to payout, no trading required. Is that something new? I know my funded futures is rolling out some new plan in like 3 days. That's supposed to be as close to a funded account. I don't really know what the details are. I just don't like Topstep because my pass rate is like 8%. Why would I continue trading on a firm that my pass rate's 8% on? That's just the way it is. Dude, there's going to be, I bet you all these firms go straight to funded at some point. They all offer straight to funded. Whether it's going to be a reasonable price or not, that's a whole nother story. But I think they're all going to offer straight to funded at some point. I think the first one I saw to ever do straight to funded was like, they were called like Axe funding or some shit like that. I never used them, but I saw them do it. And then I think Instant Funding IO did it. That's just how I saw it. And then Fast Track was the biggest one to get actual traction on doing it. And then Fast Track became the largest straight to funding firm that there is out there right now. Man, I hate this grind. This is like, just drop it, man. Just freaking drop it. But yeah, I mean, people are having trouble with the new Apex rules. I made a course for only. Dude, are you trying to sell a course for $570? Because the dude that buys that, I want the crack that he's on that will actually pay $570 to listen to people explain the rules on Apex when I can just explain it for free, or you can just type it in YouTube and it gets explained for free. Dude, guy would be an idiot. One day only. Dude, this freaking update for what do you call it keeps popping up. Thanks for reminding me. Thanks for reminding me. Yo, Kinjo, where can I buy it? Dude, there's like 1,000. Dude, you got to be freaking crazy to buy a Jeep Cherokee for 118,000. Was it made out of gold? The NQ Action, just kind of, you know what it's doing? It's just grinding lower, super lower. Anybody install that new freaking indicator I made the video over the weekend? That has these arrows. Anybody install that or not? It's pretty interesting. Anytime it clears or inverts a fair value gap, you know, like we just popped over this gap. I thought it was interesting. My first payment at Apex was on the 15th of the month. Until now, I've not received the payment link. What's it say when you go on the back end, Nism? What's it say? I could probably help you out. If you tell me, I could help you out. Is it like pending? Is it in review? Man, we are just grinding on this freaking 34. Send me a link that I'll receive money. I have no, that payment is due? What payment is due? Josh, bro, I got rebuild all weekend. Josh, they fucking rebuild my ass. I can't even walk straight. They just rebuild me all weekend. Yeah, bro. Well, I went away. So I went away on Friday. I was gone, and I didn't come back till Tuesday, today. So basically, I got rebuild. Thursday night, Friday night, Saturday night, Sunday night, Monday night. So this is 5 days. Yeah, I don't know what to do. I mean, there's nothing I can do. I just trade them. If I break a rule on Apex and already know I'm not getting a payout, can I continue to break a rule? I guess. What rule are you talking about, man? Copy trade them all full port as they say, whoever they are. I got to really dig into the new rules. There's definitely some rules I like, some rules I don't. I see an email came out today about it. I got to go through all the lines. Things that I like is basically you could flip, which is awesome. You could bracket trade, which I don't know if you guys know about bracket trading. Bracket trading is awesome. You can trade the open now. There's no more restrictions on that. You could trade news. You could definitely trade news, which is awesome because the only other firm I know that you could trade news on is Fast Track. Like if you have a funded account with, you might be able to trade with Topstep news. I don't really know, but news is typically avoided because you could make a lot of money, but you also blow your account. Topstep allows you to trade news. You could use any of the bots or strategies that you want now. The big thing that I saw was that 30%, they just don't want you to hold one trade, but I guess you could sell it out and just rebuy it. I mean, I have it up. It's interesting. I mean, honestly, I don't trade news anyways on funded accounts. So, but yeah, it's, I don't know. I'm not going away from using Apex. I'll probably still use Apex, and I'll probably continue using my funded futures, and I'll continue using Take Profit Trader, and I have Fast Track also. So I have more than enough accounts. Take Profit Trader has 2 multiple days, so you are tricked out of your daily gains. What's 2 multiple days? I don't know what that means, Fred. I don't think you're tricked out of any gains. They're one that you could trade and you can get paid on the first day that you have the account. One of the few accounts that you can get paid on day one. Yo, what up, Sean? What up, what up? Yeah, I think Take Profit Trader might be the only account that you can get paid on day one. Maybe one of these other like B-level ones offer it. But out of like the majors, I think they're the only ones that offer it. The rest have like a consistency rule, or you have to trade X amount of days and make X amount of money a day. But I think they're the only ones that you can do day one. This shit just looks like it's gonna dump. Dump it. Dude, I fucking hate this. I can't even find my freaking accounts. Yo, what up, F1? Yo, dude, that's what happens when you go away on vacation and you don't know you're getting a rebuild. That's exactly what that is. That is that I don't know I'm getting rebuilt. And I just open up my screen on fucking Tuesday this morning and I'm like, holy shit. I canceled a ton of accounts going forward though. I just canceled a ton of accounts. You're working 3 mind funded futures. Yeah. If you get them over, that's the easiest one to get paid on. You literally just need 5 days of $100 or more. They pay super quick. I think you just got to hook up your Rise account and they'll pay you. What's good about them though is that they have a daily loss limit on your evals. So in case you do hit it, you don't lose the account and it kind of stops you from going full tilt and just losing your account in general. You know, so you can't lose 2,500 or whatever, you know, $4,500 in one day. How are those account balances? What, the PAs? This one's up 500. This one's up 500. This one's up 900. This one's 900 away from getting paid. But what do you need to get to now? You need to like leave a buffer in. Is that what the deal is? You got to get to 5,400. Is that what it is? The ones that got rebuilt, these are all new. So whatever they're up or down is what they're up or down. Dude, they all have bullshit customer service. Actually, you know who has the best customer service out of anybody is Bullnox. Bullnox customer service is literally the best customer service I've ever seen in my life. Those guys are super accommodating about anything. They get back to you quickly. Yeah, I mean, to me, they have the best customer service out of all the firms. Any firms that I've dealt with so far. Yeah, I've traded with both them on Topstep X. I feel like Topstep X just hosed me. Don't ask me. I mean, I just had this whole conversation. I have the worst pass rate with Topstep out of all the accounts. I don't know why. It's just one of those things. So I just don't trade. Oh yeah, they gave you a refund. Nice. Dude, you got to see the My Funded Futures CEO and Fast Track CEO going back and forth on Twitter is hysterical. It's just a back and forth of just going at each other. It is quite comical. Not that I would run my firm like that, but it is comical to watch. Boom. So what's the deal now? Now you need 54,000 to get paid on Apex. Is that the deal? I've been away all week. So yeah. See, I know people have gotten paid by them, and like people that I know got paid by them. They obviously didn't get paid in 24 hours. I think it took them like 7 to 10 days to get paid. It's 54.6. Thanks, Viper. Yeah, I don't know. I got to really think about what I want to do going forward and where I want to really move most of my trading to. As long as oh, so Rob, I can still withdraw 500 bucks at 2600. Yo, what up, King? I think I yeah, I'll be honest with you, Marie. It sucks and it's not bad at the same time because every time I get paid from Apex, I take the max and I leave myself with such a small buffer that I end up blowing the accounts. So I wonder if I take out 500 bucks, will I keep the accounts around longer because I'm only taking $500 out and I just keep building them back that I may not yeah, you might keep your funded accounts longer though. Like I don't know. I don't have exact answer. Yeah, well, that's what they say. I don't even. I'll be honest with you. I didn't listen to any of their videos yet, so I'm just giving you my personal thoughts on how I would trade, and I might keep my accounts longer if I wasn't taking out every last dollar, leaving myself with no buffer. So only time will tell what happens, and whatever does does. I mean, I think there's a lot of stuff going on behind the scenes also, Marie. I think there's a lot more stuff going on behind. So this whole niche has blown up within the last year. And I think there's going to be a lot of changes next year. This time, this whole industry is going to be a lot different. That's what I think. I am new at Apex. I'm using FTMO right now and want to buy Apex, but I don't understand this leverage situation. Are you trading Forex, Kerman? Are you trading more Forex? Yeah, yeah, Marie, it is. I would say I'm going to stop treating my account. I'm going to start. I don't know what I'm going to do. It's something I got to really think about. That's the best way I can say it. Nothing better than a Saturday morning rebuild. Yeah, Fred, right up the wazoo. You have no idea. I just got freaking smoked. I hit the profit target, take profit, and made $100 extra, and they increased my profit target by going 1%. Are you talking about an eval, Vibert? If you're talking about an eval, yes, that is true. Because you can only have 50% in one day. Yeah. So yeah, they're all like that. Anything that does the consistency rules like that, Topstep does the same thing. You're just gonna have to make the little extra. What I normally do is I size down and I'll play like micros instead of minis. Yeah, it depends on how much money you're making a day. I typically make no more than like 1,400 and like 80 bucks in a day there, and then I'll make all the rest on day 3 and just be done with it. They still make you trade for 5 days anyways, but you could flip contracts. No, Kerman, you're talking about like that's like Forex trading. Basically, they allow you to buy contracts. It's not like Forex where you can do 100x and things like that. Yeah, well, it depends on how much you made in a single day is what is the issue. It's not total, it's what you did in a single day. You went over the daily limit. I'll typically not do 1,400 in a day, but I've had it where it's happened. One time I made, no, it wasn't them. It was another firm. I had to lose $4,000 to bring it down. But yeah, I mean, I don't know. I don't know what I want to do, but Apex is still interesting. I like the 1 day to pass on the evals. I like that they've lowered the activation fee and it's one time, it's 85 bucks. But you know, I don't know. I might start to swap over to more take profit trader because there is no activation fee and the daily loss limit doesn't bother me at all. So oh man, gotta give Apex more time to see how their rules affect over. That's all I would say. Yeah, the top Apex is 1 day to pass. Yep. My funded futures is 1 day to pass. Apex is 1 day to pass. That's pretty much the only ones that I trade that are 1 day to pass. What up, Mohammed? Nah, the 30% rule is so it's really simple, Viper. Here, I'll just do it for you. I'll just bring it up on the screen. So this is it. If you got to make $4,500, 30%, you can't make more than $1,350 in a day. That's it. Super simple. Whatever your account size is, whatever the profit target is, 0.3, don't make more than 900 bucks. Just, and if you have questions, just throw it in the chat. I'll gladly help you out. Oh man. I meant the new one. Oh, Unreal. Oh, yeah. So here it is. Basically, they don't want one trade to wipe your account out because what people are doing is they're basically going all in on a funded account. They're basically going all in on funded accounts is what's going on, I guess. So basically, if you're in a 50K account, one trade here we go. So one trade should not lose you more than that amount of money. But if you're down 700 bucks, you can just get out of the trade and then get right back into it. But what they don't want you to do is that they're not looking for you to basically blow your whole account on one trade. That's what that's about. But I don't like, I don't know about you, but like if you're trading a 50K account, you probably shouldn't be losing $750 on one trade. You know, if you're losing $750 on one trade, that's kind of a lot of money on one trade. You're either sizing up too high or you're just letting it roll around for a long time. You know, that's not on evals, that's on funded accounts. Are they going to jack this thing up? Oh, yeah, they are. This is the point. But yeah, I mean, I don't know. I mean, the rules, the only rule that really affects me is uh, that you need to make more money and leave a buffer in. That's the only rule that affects me at all. You know, the bracket trading is cool because I don't know, maybe I'll do bracket trading. Wow, they're just gonna pump this up. You know, overall, I still don't mind Apex. So, you know, but like I say with anything, I wouldn't put all your eggs in one basket anyways. I wouldn't just trade with one firm. So, you know, I don't use just one firm. You know, I'm never one to keep all my eggs in one basket. So, see, what's crazy is if you trade in the Forex ones, I want to say there's like no rules. It's just kind of like you pay this amount, you trade this amount of money, and whatever happens, happens. Oh, what am I, long or short? I think I lean towards the long side right now. I mean, you're over the 9, you're over the 21 on the 5, you're over the 34. I would say more long than short. What up, Ray? Just so crazy how all these freaking dude, Andy, no lube, or as Ice Cube said, no Vaseline. No Vaseline. You know what though? I just trade them and I turn them into funded accounts. I mean, and get the lifetime fee, and it is what it is, right? I mean, you know, I can't do anything about it. I just sit here and I just freaking take it, you know? I don't even know how many accounts. I mean, literally, they hit me for, what do you think? Like, what is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20 accounts they hit me for. 20 accounts. I mean, what am I going to do? 21? Well, this one I had already. 601. 601's around. Look, 601's almost over, and I didn't even trade that today. And then 605. Actually, I had 605. Oh, 607 I had already. Maybe I had some of these then. 609 is, oh, I got a couple that are making their way. I think everything from 12 on. So 12 to 26. They hit me with 14 accounts. It is what it is. You just got to roll with it. Oh, I would say the long looks better. I just want to see some type of consolidation right here. I don't know if there will be. I'll just take a random 2 spot and I'll just ride it. I'll ride it too. Copy trade, full port, all of them. Dude, I thought about doing like 5 at a clip this morning. Yeah. Send some for an over. Dude, I'm going to start degenerate trading some of these without a doubt. I want to get a couple over so I don't feel like I lost my money. So after I get a handful of these over, I'm going to just start slamming them. But I've definitely slammed a couple where I got 7 to like 9 contracts and hit it for like $600 real quick. Y'all later, Rob. You know, I'll slam them to get the accounts going so they're up, you know, $600-700 real quick, and then I try to make my way to like $52,000 pretty quick, and then from $52,000 I kind of wait for a good trade setup to get me over the hump. Let the stream trade at least one eval. What do you guys want to do? How do you want to do this? You want to go in the? I'll do it right now. What I feel like the stream, I can't really make a Q&A. I guess I can say long or short, but then you guys got to tell me like what number you want to go in for. Yeah, I just did long or short, and then you just got to comment to tell me where. I'll do it with 19, right? Or yeah, do it with 19. Short at 558. We're at 50-50. 10 votes. We're 10 votes in. Top. I'll tell you what, if this gets over and we get funded and we get over again, I'll divvy out all the money to you guys. I won't keep anything. Yeah, you just missed it if you were getting in. Might pick back up right here. Long seems to be winning. We need to I gotta scroll up in the Discord and see that point of control video and watch it. Knob, I think you great. Whole chat will be on probation. Yo, it's design knobs idea. Put your email in here so I can let him know. Like, yo, it was his idea. The McLean family, dude. I've been slamming a couple of them. It seems like long is the way. Where do you guys want me to long this at? Just put a couple of people put in some longs. Where do you want me to long it at? Seems like long is going to win. At the fair value gap, dude, the crucial, just put a number in, man. Just a number. Well, the poll says long, so I can't go against the poll. You guys wanted to go long. Dude, I stream mostly at 1:30 to 2 o'clock. I jump on. When it breaks the high of this candle, wait, what the fuck? I put rolling eyes emoji on Apex Trader new post on notice board and they times me out. Can someone go do it to see it? Bro, I don't want them to time me out, bro. You can go get timed out. I don't want to get timed out at all. Yo, who's gonna sacrifice their account and get timed out? Blue says go to Discord for Apex and put rolly eyes in and see what happens. I know, dude. This is the room votes, Ghost. This isn't me. The room votes. That the room trades this. That's how it works. They vote, and I do the vote. I just vote. I just do whatever everybody wants to do. Why is it so slow today? The top. What are you talking about that's so slow? The NQ or Fuck around and find out, says Darrell. Yeah, man, I don't know. I don't know what to say. You know? What's so slow today, Top? The markets, let's see what, there might be some economic news coming up. There's a bunch of earnings coming up. So tomorrow we have existing home sales, which wouldn't do much, and the beige book. You have jobless claims on Thursday. You have PMI on Thursday. I think it's maybe some earnings coming out. I thought today was pretty good. Yeah, I thought overall today was good. I have zero issues with how today went. I thought, oh, how was vacation? Dude, vacation was awesome. We went down to Miami for the weekend, and I took my kid to the Taylor Swift show. We won tickets through Ticketmaster lottery. We got 4 tickets. So I took it was me, my daughter, my wife, and my best friend moved down to Florida, and his daughter was there. So I took his daughter to the concert. Yeah, it was I got fucking stocked out. It was a good time. Yeah, man. Sometimes you got to get away. You know, got to get away. It was fucking exhausting though. Traveling with the kids and everything was exhausting. But you know what? It's always good to get away from the markets for a couple of days, kind of decompress a little bit, and then get back at it. Fred, it was Taylor Swift we went to. The Taylor Swift Miami at the Miami Stadium. Tell you what, the show was amazing. Super amazing. Cove is a Swiftie. Taylor Swift is on at my house a lot. A lot. You know what? It's music that my kids can listen to uh, that is not bad. Yeah. I got my son into Beastie Boys, so he listens to Beastie Boys a lot, and Taylor Swift can get it. But yeah, it's it was good. Who went to Aruba? Hold on one second. I took off last week, was in Aruba. Dude, where'd you go in Aruba? I love Aruba. I used to go to Aruba all the time when I was younger. I like Aruba because there's always a breeze. It doesn't get super, super hot. When is duck race time? When we're either at market close or when trading just sucks. But we're about to all get in long at 45, so probably not right now. I've spinned Paul's Boutique. Oh, yeah. 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 I liked but yeah, we did the concert. Obviously, I had to stand in the merch line for over an hour to get merch while everybody watched the beginning of the show. I was there to get food for everybody, desserts for everybody, buy merch, and yeah, I was the gopher of the day. My wife, my daughter, and her friend did everything. Yep. Yeah, with all the dads, baby. That was me. Yeah, there was a ton of dads on the line with me. But I like the weekend getaway trips. Usually I don't fly. Usually we drive for a weekend trip. Like I'm up in New York, so we do like a Newport or Pennsylvania, stuff like that. Oh, we got filled. We got filled. 619 is the account. You guys wanted to go long in. 619 was the account. Hold on one second. I got to open up this door. We're long, though. The room is long. I'm back. Guess who's back? Back at holy shit. Woo! Guys, do I take profit right here? Do I take profit? Yes? Yo, in the chat, am I taking profit? You guys got to tell me this is your account. No? Yes? Take profit? Take it, fool. I'll take half. Keep going. All right, well, I have a stop. I'll move the stop here. Let it ride. Well, I took 2 off. We got 2 runners. We bought 4 here. I'll move it to the bottom of this candle if this candle pops a little bit. Yeah. So we'll holy shit. What the fuck was that? Dude. What the did that just Dude, did the sim market makers see I moved? Yo, the sim market makers saw me and they went and got my order. The sim market makers. Darrell saw our order and he took it from us. Told you to take profit. Dude, I mean, I sold my account out. Nobody was doing anything. I took half off. I took half off at 52, and then I got stopped at 48. Man, I can't wait to clear out some of these accounts. Let's see if I can turn all of them green by the end of the day. I think I could turn all of them green, even if it's by $20. CME is in the chat. Get his order. Let's see. Let's see if I could oh, I went the wrong way. I went the wrong way. Pump it. Pump it up. Come on. Let's see how many of these I can make green by the end of the day. We got 27 minutes to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 accounts green. I don't know if I'm going to do this. This is a task and a half here. Well, I sure as shit hope so, Blue. I sure as shit hope so. Did they stop me out and they're going to bring it right back? Come on. Pump this mofo. You like this chat? Let's do this daily. Every day we make every account green by 100. I wish, man. I wish. Come on. I need to get this account up. Bring someone live and let them talk you through which trades to take. I would do whatever you guys want to do. Visible, I'm up for. Oh, okay. We just got this one. Dun, 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 dun. Did I just get the worst fill of life right there? What the fuck was that? Out for $5 clams? Let's go. Pump it. Pump it and get me green. I just got to get green. Oh, I almost hit the button. Oh, got another one green. On to 23. Pooh! Got another one green. 24. Oh, this shit's hysterical. Pump it. Don't take me out. Oh, you did me dirty. Told you to enter. Dude, I don't even, I have it up. Are you on the, oh, see how it's red? Yo, what time frame do you trade the fair value gap on though? 1, 3, 5. What are you on, DeCrucial? Oh, I used 3 minute. Yo, entertaining. I'm trading 50 Apex evals. Flush this bitch. Let's go. I might just take profit here. What time you trade what? No, I was wondering what he trades. He trades the 3 minute fair value gap. So he goes on the 3 minute time frame, which is this. and trades. I don't see the fair value gap. What indicator are you using? The crucial. See, I use this. This indicator has the fucking the red arrow down, man. That's when it clears. It inverts the fair value gaps. See? Here, I'll zoom in for you guys. So this was a green fair value gap on the way up, and we've since closed below it, and that's why it turns red. Come on. Come on. Pump it. Don't do that. Don't do me dirty. Don't do me dirty. Fuck. Oh, come on. Are we going to get down here? Come on. Give me that bouncer Rooney. This green one you're talking about right in here? Doesn't look great. Not going to lie, doesn't look great. I'm looking for a small bounce and then roll back over. Small bounce and roll back over. Otherwise, it's just going to dump. Is that what we're going to do? We're just going to dump this out.
Order rejected.
Oh no. Oh no. Did they just get me out at the bottom? I agree with whoever said short. I definitely see it on the chart, by the way. I wouldn't be surprised if we see 526 get right below here. Yeah, it was. Blew you right on it. I mean, you called that when we were all the way back here. Come on. I want to see the fucking selling pressure. I'll stop out if we go up here. This account smoked. Smoke this account. Let's go. I got to be right back. Hold on. The profile said short the whole time. That POC is not going to look good if they're going long. Yeah, I wouldn't trade any freaking funded accounts right here. I can tell you that right now. I would not be trading any funded accounts. There's no setup that I'm loving right now for that. Honestly, they bounced it back into this fair value gap. I wonder if they were. Oh, see how that just inverted? I'm inverted. Fucking push it. Clear me out. What up, Dora? I got out because honestly, I don't love it. I'm curious if they bring it back down here and then up. I'm telling you, I'm loving these. As soon as it changes, as soon as it sells through or buys through the opposite fair value gap, it gives the arrow, and it's typically pretty well received. Boom, 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 boom. Dude, what? What was that? I don't know what that was. So weird. Has to hold 46. We're over 46. Yeah, I thought we were going down. The market's like,
I'm not fucking leaving.
I need to make $76 in this account to flip this one green. Oh, trying to flip them all green, guys. I got 15 minutes to flip them all. It was going to come down, and I would say I like it better than the upside. There you go. There you go. What's the daily actually look like? Are we what are we doing here? Oh wow, this is interesting. This looks like we might go over this high and retest up here. Earnings are going to decide if we're going to go up or not. That I will say. Earnings better be really freaking good on a lot of these freaking accounts, a lot of these things. That's all I got to say about that. Yo, full port. Let's see what happens. This is this is it. If they get over this, it can really get legs. If not, you're going to probably freaking dump. Oh, come on. Come on. Flip this account green. Flip it green. Yeah, algo candle coming in 1 minute. Holy shit. They're just going to yank this. Oh, green. Green. Let's see how many more I can get. 610, 611. Boom, boom, boom. Yo! There was some premature population up right there. It was fucking green for a second. Another one green. 609. I'm just loading these up. Dude, I'm just trying to freaking... Come on, give the 34 bounce. No! Monica! Come on, man. Pop it. Pop it off the 34. Was I down in this account? I don't even remember. Come on, baby. Pump it. I don't fucking, did I just sell that out and it just popped like that? Oh, they just effing, the market makers got me. I hate trading the last. The last 10 minutes is rough. It's a lot of wick whacks. It's a lot of algos. I would suggest not trading a funded account. Those sim bastards, they got me. They saw me on the sim exchange. Oh. Come on. I do like it better to the upside than downside. That I will say. Let's go. Let's go. Push it. Big push. Big push. Come on. Oh, another one that's green. 607. Another one that's green. 606. Oh, shit. This is freaking funny. 605. 605. Where's 605? I feel like I'm going to get caught soon. I feel like they're going to catch me on a dump. They're going to catch me outside. Oh, man. Can I do it? Come on. It's going to blast through. Blast it, baby. No, don't die off like that. Let's go. Come on. Are they just going to pop it? Are you going to algo pop it through? Oh, I was just green. Oh, it's just green. Yo, jeez. I'm just waiting. I'm waiting. Is this thing going to go? Oh, man. Come on. Push it. Get over 73. Fuck, man. I can't. I don't know, man. I don't know if they're going to let it go. They might not let it go. What is this? Come on. Let it go. Let it go. Come on, baby. Yo, Sam, I got a lot. They rebuilt. I was away this week. I was away for 4 or 5 days, and they rebuilt me a ton of money while I was gone. So now I'm forced to trade. That's kind of what happened. Apex got me. Apex got me good. And I just trade them, man. I mean, there's nothing else you could do. You know, what am I going to do? I got rebuilds, so I just trade them. I'm just having some fun right now, trying to get as many green as possible. You know, what does rebill? Like they bill me again. So it's on a monthly basis. So these are accounts that I blew a month ago, and now they billed me again. So what up, Alex? What up? What up? See, I wasn't around yesterday. Why? What did it do yesterday? You got a dump or something? Yo, watch China stocks. China stocks might pop tomorrow. China! Oh, melt it up.
China.
I'm just telling you that Chinese stocks are really oversold. I don't like Chinese stocks mostly, but it's interesting. I don't know. I mean, I bought a couple. I bought a couple little, couple little things for the Chinese market. I bought a bunch of November expiration calls. Not a lot, not a lot, but enough that if we pop tomorrow, I'll sell. Remember when we talked about PayPal a week or so? Yeah, PayPal is one that is interesting. Could be real interesting. This account's going to be gone. If this thing doesn't pop, I don't have enough drawdown. This account's going to be bye-bye. And we say bye-bye. It needs to pop like fucking now. And it's not. Yo, PayPal, I think is going to, when PayPal starts to move, everybody's going to get behind it and be like, oh, PayPal, PayPal this, PayPal, PayPal, PayPal. I just think that, the story isn't there and people will get behind it. Oh, I just realized we're fucking closed. Okay. Dude, does it sell all the way down to freaking... Oh, look at that shit. So this line I have on here is at 377. Damn, went right to it. Interesting. Well, I'm definitely going to do... I don't know. I'll look and then we'll do some duck races. Earnings today. Who's got earnings? Verizon. These are in the morning that happened. Texas Instruments is tonight, is now. Spotify is on here for earnings. Spotify is interesting. Oh, ENPH is interesting. That's going to be an interesting one. I'm just going through all the pages. Some banks. All right. Nothing like crazy. I think Spotify. Who's buying calculators, bro? Dude, remember calculators? Yeah. Calculators. Do you remember you can load them up and play all the games on? Like you're like unlocked and you got the games. Do you only? No, I trade all day. I trade all day. I just don't. I only stream. I stream sometimes in the morning, but I trade all day. I like to be more focused when I'm trading in the morning. Yo, snake on that bitch. Yeah. I like to be more focused when I'm trading in the morning because there's a lot going on. There's a lot of opening range stuff going on, a lot of things going on. I got options going on. Yo, design knob. Just a lot of stuff that's going on that I want to be, extremely focused on and not focused on the chat and things like that. And I stream during the morning. Most of you guys aren't around during the morning. When I stream in the morning, there's like 20 people around. So I just kind of stopped. I would still do it here and there. I'm not doing it every day because there's just not enough people around. Cove, why you say take profit trader has no activation fee? Because it has no activation fee. After you pass your eval, there's no activation fee to make it a funded account. Yeah, you got to use the coupon code. Did you not use the coupon code? Because then you definitely spent way too much money for the account, and now you have to pay the activation fee. These codes are here to save you money. I hope. Yeah. There's no activation fee when you use the code. You got it when you buy an account. Use coupon code Cove Trader. It'll save you 40%. And then when you pass that account, you don't have to pay the $130. All right, let me see what we got here. Boom, 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 boom. Oh, baby. Look at that shit. Look, I swear, man, they is there one? What is this? Where's 624? Cole, what do you think about My Funded Future's new plan? Yo, did it come out? Hold on one second. Is it out? I thought they were coming out with it tomorrow or something. Hold on. I'm setting up this duck race. Ooh, they have milestone. Oh, baby. Okay, you guys want to see what it is? I'll show you what it is. We are going to look at it together. The fuck is that? Okay, here you go. Milestone, 50K milestone. What is this? I don't even know where the... Dude, I don't even know where the freaking chat went. Oh, baby. You guys out there? I got too many freaking tabs open. Oh, man.
Trader join.
Okay, so apparently all right, we're gonna go one by one here. I don't know where everybody just went. Shut this tab off. You know what? I just look at my freaking other chat. Here you guys go. We're just gonna go view my channel. Dude, this is freaking crazy. It's freaking crazy. Gotta pause it now. All right, here we go. All right, so now I can see the no, we're gonna do the race in 2 seconds. Somebody brought this up. I've been waiting for this to happen. So milestone, profit targets 3,000. Daily loss, end of day. What's the perk of it though? Why would you do it? Is it funded? Is this a funded account? Yo, Ray, is this a funded account, man? Oh, it is. Yeah, but like, yo, I'm just gonna be honest with you. Like, I like my funded futures. All right, just take the math. If you get a 50K account, it's $76. If you could pass 1 in 3 accounts, you could be funded for $200. So this is equivalent. So if you do 445 divided by $76, so basically if you pass 1 in 5 accounts, it's cheaper to just do the starter accounts. These starter accounts are $76 with the coupon code. Yeah, it's straight to funded, but you have to pass 4 times. Each time you pass, you can get paid. Yo, I'm just going to be honest with you guys. I'm probably not doing this milestone. Just keeping it freaking reals. Because I could pass 1 in 3, so I can get to a funded account for only $200 and something. I wouldn't pay for a milestone account. Also, with the coupon code, you probably end up saving like 20 bucks off of this, or 30 bucks. So you get a little bit cheaper. But yeah, I'm keeping it real. Like, there's probably guys pushing it pretty hard. It just doesn't make sense to me, because you can get funded for cheaper if you use one of these other accounts. I'll be honest with you, I only buy the starter accounts, and I just scale them up. It's not a big deal. I'm not in one firm. I move around, so it is what it is. But I just think that that's kind of expensive. So, all right, guys, you ready for this? Man, I was literally looking to see if I can find this freaking the duck race. Let me just see if I can just type this in. Talk. Here we go. Switch to tab. Okay. Oh, I found me. Oh, nice. I see the freaking screen now. All right, boys. You ready for this, Shiznik? I can't see the chat if anyone is typing. So you got to give me 2 seconds to set this up. Boom. Oh, I didn't get in. Shit. I didn't get in. I can't believe I didn't get myself in. Come on. How did I not get myself in? Oh, baby. Who's going to win? Who's going to win? Who's hanging out in the back? Somebody's hanging out in the back. Fred, smashing it, Fred. Dude, I'm looking. Where's Fred at? Little Sherlock Holmes killer viper. Let's roll. Nism, dude, you're Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. You don't want to be out front. Stay blues the doc. I feel like, oh, the Trump doc, trading bot. Trump duck. Want Ray trades in the back. All right, now it's going to get interesting. It's somebody hanging out in the back, just lying in the weeds, waiting to pounce. Is going to get it. Uh-oh. Who's falling back? It's going to be Rob Morse. Watch, Rob Morse is going to win. This guy's hanging. Oh, Spider-Man. Oh, no, no. Oh, shit. Holy lag. What's going on? I don't see a lag over here. Yo, is Prizzo here? I saw him not too long ago. I wonder. Dude, oh, actually, this is looking freaking naughty. I just added another one. Rigged. Rigged.
The system is totally rigged.
The system is totally rigged. Yo, he's right above you. He literally, I identify as Rizzo. Karen, that's amazing. That's amazing. It took him a while to sign into his alternate account. Uh-oh. I'm here. Bro, the I am here was amazing. That was amazing, amazing. I am here, and he was in the wrong account. I identify as Rizzo. Karen. When someone's like, I never win.
Nobody cares.
Nah, I know Prizzo. I know Prizzo's over here. I know you're around all the time. Everybody gets shit unless they win. That's the only time that they don't give shit is when they win. Just part of the game. I know I'm dumb, but could you tell me you got your Apex accounts on the side of Tradevate like that? I have the same accounts I use Tradevate. Oh, okay. You hit this plus sign right here. add modules, and you do you hit accounts. Where the fuck's accounts at? Oh, right here. And then you just click it and you hold it, and I can just drag it and move it around wherever I want. And then you let it go. Dude, this was a good first day back. I've enjoyed the stream today. It was good to be back. I'll be back tomorrow, same time. You were frozen. I don't know why everyone's having laggy problems. Come on, turn this shit around and just dump it. Dump. Yeah, I had a fun time today. I don't know what I'm going to do with all these Apex accounts. I'm probably just going to keep slamming them tomorrow. I am going to review the Apex new rules, and I'll put out my thought. I'll put out like I haven't really like read that far into it, so I'm going to take about 30 minutes to an hour to really look at it and give my thoughts today at some point. You know, other than that, I think yeah, I mean that's the problem is they're changing rules based on signups and everything else, so it's kind of hard to stay on top. But we'll see what happens. Yeah, you can message me in Discord or you can email me. You can always hit me up on the old Gmail. Oh my God, just dump this. Yo, get right below here. Get low like Little John and just flash dump this biatch. Oh, come on. Here it comes. Do it. Oh, are you not going to do this? Oh, you're such a biatch. Come on. Prizzo 1, Corey. Should have just taken my money. Rizzo, Rizzo. Frank Rizzo. Tell me somebody remembers that. I had their CDs. How's that sound? I used to laugh my ass off listening to that. Frank Rizzo, Rizzo. Shit was so funny. How have you been, Corey? You've been Karen remembers that. Corey, how's trading been? Come on. I want to see a flash dump. Flash dump this thing. Come on. Big ass green candle. That's a trading term too. Big ass green candle. No. Did I say green candle? Red candle. I mean red. Red. Come on. I know I should just take my $10 L and get out, but I don't want to. I want to get paid for this heartache right now. Come on, don't stop me out. Just dip it, baby. Did Spotify said they were reporting earnings today. Did that happen? Spot. No, because they didn't go anywhere. SoFi has earnings coming up on 10/29. I am very interested on Celsius having earnings because that's going to be interesting. With Celsius, by the way, that was what I was going to say. Dude, who asked me about my announcement today? I was going to make an options trading channel. I forgot to that's what I meant to do. I am going to make an options trading channel. I think the person who asked me is gone though. Somebody, I can't believe I forgot about that. I was going to make an options channel that just, woo! Come on, baby. Come on. Talk dirty to me, market. Talk dirty to me. Let's go. All right, Chris, I'll look at it. Let me just. Keep it going. Keep it going. My target is the bottom of this wick. That's pretty much the bottom, but I'm going to get stopped out. That was a good trade, though. That was a real good trade. Options Industry Council? No, I can go now, though. Oh, they got a lot of stuff on here, calculators and everything. What do you what should I look at? By the way, I think all these firms are going to start offering these straight to funded deals, like My Funded Futures just did. I mean, it seems like there's a lot of information, a lot of good information on the Options Industry Council website. Should I be looking for anything specific, or are you just wondering if I've been there and what I think about it? Oh, it looks good, visible. I think it looks like there's a lot of good information on here, without a doubt. No diggity, no doubt. Just because I keep it reals with you every day. That's how today finished up. Keep it real, man. When I win, I win. When I lose, I lose. And that's how my day went. I wrote MSTR puts this morning, and I already closed them out. That was a quick. But most of the stuff I'm still in. Like, yeah, I'm not going to go into all like what's going on, but boom, bum, bum, bum. What is Power E-Trade? It's E-Trade's trading platform. It's web-based, so you don't have to download it. So you just sign into E-Trade, you click Power, you click Trading, Power E-Trade, and it's their web-based. It's their web-based trading platform. Yeah, I like Robin. I don't like Robinhood, the platform. Like I wouldn't trade on there, but I like the company Robinhood to own. I don't see why you couldn't use. Can you get an E-Trade account, Alex? Here, does Power E-Trade work in Canada? I'm sure it does. Oh, E-Trade does not accept clients from Canada. I did not know that. Oh, and I just read something else. Yes, Power E-Trade is available in Canada. I don't know. If you can get an account at E-Trade, you should be able to use it. It's the best platform that I've used. Super easy to use. Yeah, a lot of people use, what is it? I always get them wrong. What is it? International brokers or interactive brokers? Yeah. I had an account with them for like 3 months, many, many years ago. They offer a lot. They do offer a lot. Why I got rid of them, I think I forget why I stopped using them, to be honest. A lot of people use Ameritrade, or I think it's Schwab now. They use TOS is like the big trading platform that kind of rivals TradingView. All I'm going to say is if you're trading options and stuff, you should probably get really good charting software. You know, should probably, use better charting software than just whatever they give you. ENPH, the solar industry, is going to get destroyed. ENPH is down 8% after hours. Is the ES down? Is the ES down? Let's see. Nothing really. man, these guys are about to fucking drop. Their chart looks like they've been consolidating all year, and they're due to just break out to the downside. I don't play the earnings or anything because I'm not listening to the call, so I'm not just going to jump in blind to the fact. Damn. All right. I'm going to jump off. My brain is freaking. I think I had a halfway decent day today. I want to review the Apex rules, give my thoughts on that tonight, and whatnot, and go through some other stuff. And all right, I'll see you guys tomorrow. All right, peace.